Hey Ben Horton, where are we going?
Are we going to see the bum tree?
Go backwards.
Backwards? Okay, I'm going to go backwards.
Daddy's going backwards and
Yeah.
Ben's going backwards.
Okay, Daddy's going backwards? Okay. Go backwards together. And brought his music machine. He's walking backwards playing a harmonica. Going to see the Bum Tree Kid. Walking backwards is hard. It's hard.
Yeah, he's just around the corner. Let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go.
Go see owl. Go see owl.
Oh, we
Go
want to
see
see the
the
owl
owl.
too.
Oh, the owl at the front gate?
That's a very long walk.
That's a long way away.
Oh, look at the little houses.
Oh, Ben, look at the little houses.
Look at them here. Ooh. There's where little animals live. Hello. Is anybody home? Knock, knock. Nobody's home. Nobody's home.
The forest.
A little fort, that's right.
Another forest. Go see a bum tree.
That's where she's
Or you can go down and bum tree.
Yeah.
Is that the Bum Tree, Ben?
Hi, tree. Nice bum.
Okay, what do? We got to spank the Bum Tree.
Step in there.
There, perfect.
Gonna spank the Bum Tree? Daddy goes first. Boom, 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 boom. And play a song to the Bum Tree?
It's a bouquet.
Yeah, the lid came off a little bit. There.
Ben wrote a song to the Bum Tree.
There you go. Now you can play. Nice job.
Down. Down. Down.